Look at this guy. It is so hard to tell. I can't get a good angle on it, let alone get the lighting on it just right, but I just hatched a clutch, and this is the only one that looks like this. The front of the shell is yellow, the edges are a bright pumpkin orange, and then as you can see the swirl is like a darker color, which I think it's more of a reddish, maybe maroon color. I'm going to be keeping an eye on this one. There's no like freckles or spots on it. There's no other lines on it, like in the front